to my YouTube channel, which is Nikki Nogat, and this is me, Nikita Mehra, and today's video is going to be very important for the people who are sitting for the counseling rounds, as we're going to discuss all the top 5 campuses, and also I'm going to give you a campus tour of NIFT Mumbai. As just for your brief, I'm Nikita Mehra, and I am doing my third year from NIFT Mumbai. Like, I've completed it, and मैं वहाँ से Bachelor's of Fashion Technology कर रही हूँ, which is BFT course, and I'm here for my apparel internship in Delhi. So yes, this is all about me, and if you have not watched my previous year's counseling videos, that you can watch them so that you can get an idea of like how to apply for the counseling rounds and what are the options like slide, freeze. So you can वहाँ से learn अच्छे से from my previous year's video as well. So this video is going to be about the campus tour of NIFT Mumbai. So let's discuss first what are the top 5 campuses according to me and also according to many of the people like who have been passed out from NIFT. So NIFT Delhi comes at the very first, then NIFT Mumbai, Bangalore, and then Gandhinagar, and then Kolkata, and then at the 6th you can keep Hyderabad. So these are the sequence of the NIFT campuses, which top 6 which you should aim. Either you are coming from BDS or from BFT. These rankings are on the based of the exposures which these campus basically gives you, because if you will be पार्ट ऑफ द कैंपस, तो आपको वहाँ पे 4 साल निकालने हैं. सो 4 साल में आप कौन सी इंटर्नशिप्स करोगे वो उसके ऊपर बेस्ड होता है. आप वहाँ पे कितनी फैक्ट्री विजिट्स करोगे वो भी उस बेस पे होता है, बिकॉज obviously people living in Delhi, like people in the campuses from Delhi have more access to the factories and more access to the fashion shows, and Mumbai also, like Mumbai में बहुत लाख में फैशन वीक्स होते रहते हैं, इंटर्नशिप्स होती रहती हैं, सारे हाई एंड लग्जरी ब्रांड्स यहाँ पे आउटलेट हैं. पीपल आर लाइक वहाँ पे बहुत डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जहाँ से आप लोग सीख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप्स ले सकते हैं. दैट्स वाई ऑन दीज बेसिस ओनली द कैंपसेस आर ranked as the top 5. So yes, let's start with a very high campus, which is NIFT Mumbai. So yes, let's get started.
So this is the NIFT entrance of the college, and you also get the bank facility over here, and the guard hamesha checks the ID cards of each and every student. And also you can come from that side where the graffiti lane is there. The students of NIFT have only painted this, तो आप ये अभी देख सकते हो. So this is the weather of almost May or June. So yeah, this is the way where you can always come from. So yeah, this is the one thing about our campus, that you can get a nice graffiti over here whenever you will pass by. And while entering the college, you will see the stationery over here, and इसमें you will get almost everything regarding to the college. And then there's a security room, and then there's a mandir as well.
Before going into the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so whenever I post new content you get notified first. So yes, our campus is 10 minutes walk from our NIFT hostel, from the girls hostel, and from the boys hostel वो उसके अंदर ही है, so ऐसा कहीं दूर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. And then also the different thing is कि the bus is available but only for a scheduled time. बस रोज़ नहीं जाती, थोड़ी मुश्किल होती है. Then you have to take either auto or you walk. Basically autos you will get charged for like 30 rupees per person. NIFT से वापस college से वापस again 30, so 60 rupees. But if बस आती है, so you can take the bus. बस के स्पेशल अपने टाइमिंग्स रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 9 o'clock in the morning, बिकॉज 9:15 पे कॉलेज होता है. सो एक बस चलती है 8:45 पे, दूसरी चलती है 9:15 पे. शाम को वापस आने की बस का फैसिलिटी मुझे तो अभी तक नहीं दिखा है. सो येस, दिस इज़ अबाउट द NIFT बस. एंड देन व्हेन यू एंटर द वेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ द कॉलेज, तो वहाँ पे आपको एक NIFT स्टेशनरी मिलती है जहाँ पे जैसा छोटू भैया, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस, हु इज़ वेरी नाइस, वो काफ़ी डिस्काउंट्स पे चीज़ें दे देते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ आपको वहाँ से नहीं शॉप करना है, देन यू कैन गो टू हिरनंदानी, विच इज़ लाइक अ शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, थोड़ा सा वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे फ्रॉम आवर NIFT हॉस्टल. सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू आर न्यू देयर, आपको लगेगा हिरनंदानी बहुत दूर है, बट हिरनंदानी एक्चुअली बिल्कुल भी दूर नहीं है. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लिविंग देयर, तो आपको लगता है कितना पास है, मतलब जैसे हम थोड़ा सा वॉक करके चले गए तो वो मार्केट हो गई. सो येस, दैट इज़ इट. एंड वहाँ पे स्टेशनरीज आपको सारी मिल जाएगी. फॉर स्पेशल फैब्रिक्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल FD, TD, KT people and also BFT people, they can either go to Crawford Market, which is in CEST, or they can go to Bandra for knitted ones, or they can either go to Sector 12, which is in Kharghar only. So yes, our location is of the campus is in Kharghar, which is in Navi Mumbai, and Navi Mumbai is not a part of main Mumbai. So either you take a flight, either you take a train. You have to travel almost 1.5 hour, 2 hours. Either you take a cab or either you take auto. तो इतना तो आपको पड़ता ही है. Average cost from the airport to our hostel is 900 rupees in night or in busy hours, or else is 600 to 800 rupees. Either you take a auto. So auto is 400 rupees per person or 600 rupees per person. ये मेरे 3 साल का वो है stats.
So this is the academic block 2 जिसमें सारे के सारे BDES के departments हैं, and here is the famous 2 horse वाला statue and the waterfall thing, which is very very like OG. And then this is the very second floor of the new block, which is academic block 2, and here you can see every department putting out their best shows or best pieces over here in the visual boards. This is some of the knitted swatches, and yeah, this was the kid department I went in, and here you can see the whole campus. And now this is the lower floor, like this is the ground floor of the block 2, and here it's like हमेशा ACs there, you can always chill here. But यहाँ पे graduation project का show लग रहा था of all the textile designers and also the knitwear design people. And if you move out from there, here you can come to the staircase of the block 1, which is of BFT. पूरा first and the ground and first floor is for BFT, and उसके ऊपर वाला is for TD. And yeah, here are our mechanized and nice labs which have a lot of machines of new technologies. So yeah, this is it. And यहाँ पर lift बन रही है जो बन नहीं पा रही थी time से. And this is the PMGC lab over here.
So yeah, that is it for the traveling expenses. And yeah, once you're entering the college, so college में 2 buildings हैं, which is block 1 and block 2. So one is only for the people of BFT and TD, and the other building is for all the BDES people, which is सबसे फर्स्ट फ्लोर अपना फैशन लाइफस्टाइल को आता है, देन सेकेंड फ्लोर इज़ फॉर KD, देन थर्ड फ्लोर इज़ फॉर अदर पीपल. सो ऐसे करते करते मास्टर्स हैं, MFM है, और फिर आई डोंट ऑफर लेदर डिज़ाइन, सो दैट इज़ वन ड्रॉबैक. मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर से वो शुरू हो जाए. So yeah, this is one thing which you need to keep in your mind. And then we have a resource center at the 6th floor, and at the 7th floor we have a nice auditorium. Resource center is very nice. Basically it's just a library at your school or any other place, but they have resources. For example, they have saris from all the states, they have handworks, handicrafts from all the states, they have computers, tabs where you can access the books and the resources. For example, if you are knowing like other directories and journals, for example Science Direct हो गया, Elsevier हो गया, इन सब के आर्टिकल्स विच यू नीड टू पे आप वहाँ पे जाके एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज नेफ्ट हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्रॉम देम. सो WGSN भी है, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनका एक्सेस नेफ्ट के पास है. सो यू हैव टू गो टू द लाइब्रेरी. वो लोकल होस्ट में ही चलता है, मतलब अब उतने एरिया में ही चलेगा. So you can go there and you can access each and everything from the resource center. So yeah, that's one very nice thing about NEFT campus. And then we move on to the sewing labs of all the departments. They are actually very nice. The facilities are really good. Knitting labs खुल गई हैं, अब तो शीमा lab खुल गई है KD वालों की, like my friends were taking out the swatches. So yeah, that is very nice. Again, TD labs are also very nice. Testing labs है, सारी की सारी कपड़े कैसे टेस्ट करते हैं, everything is there, so you do not need to worry about it. FD people have also amazing labs.
As I was heading towards the canteen, here is the FD block, and yes, they have put their nice graduation pieces over here. And this is the football or whatever court you can call it. People play all the type of sports over here. Volleyball, football, cricket is played over here, and the turf is nakli wala ghas. And this is the PM lab के अंदर का view. Like these are the dress forms, and you will be given each just for the college hours. Like you can make things over here, and this is of BFT only. So these are the nice and huge PM tables where you can work upon. So this is the little close-up of each of the dress forms and you will be pasting names upon it. एंड देन इफ़ आई कम ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे, सो वहाँ से ऐसा व्यू है कुछ. एंड दिस यूज टू बी द DFT डिपार्टमेंट and now it is the BFT. It's like the name have changed and some of the subjects as well. So here the fabric swatches are there and some of the photos are there. So this is the lab in which we give our assignments and we study. So I just recorded it to show you all the infrastructure of each of the classrooms of NIFT Mumbai specifically. So this is for NIFT Mumbai ka BFT lab wala area, and this is also of the FD people. So these people made, and also of this I have made a reel as well. तो मैंने credits वहाँ पे mention किए हुए हैं, so you can go and check out कि किसने dresses बनाई हैं because they are amazing. And then हम यहाँ से zoom करके Nescafe दिखा रहे हैं because that's the one thing which we all go breaks पे. And this is the washroom, and this was me recording it on the last day, and this was my fit. मैं निकल रही थी तो मुझे उसके बाद चेंज करना था. I was just here for one signature for my parent internship का bonafide बनाने के लिए. This is the stage of our campus. यहाँ पे सारे functions होते हैं, ceremonies होती हैं, inauguration या फिर कुछ भी होता है तो यहाँ पे celebrate किया जाता है. All the concerts happen here if it's related to the fest. So yeah, and this was one of the jury ka board, so I thought why not record it. So जब आपका jury होगा then you will be also required to like make something like this. So they basically made a dome like shaped, and उसके नीचे there was a space where you can insert your head and then you will see a lot of nice things. So yeah.
Then moving on to the sports thing. So basketball court है इतना बड़ा सा, and then also they have a badminton court, they have a cricket pitch, and then अभी तो sports का इतना ही है. Outdoor sports का, indoor sports ऊपर है, TT है and everything is there, another carom and all that. And
so this was the very first entrance. So अब हम देखेंगे कि basketball court कैसा दिखता है. So this is the new basketball court which they made just last year only, because last year because Convert जो था which is the annual fest of all the NIFT centers, so उसके लिए बनाया था because मुंबई में हो रहा था. And this is the badminton area. यहाँ पे boys hostel भी है, and this is a cricket pitch. So all of them are nicely linked, मतलब आप एक जगह आए and then you can play everything. So then if we move forward, then this is the Worli Art वाला छोटू सा building जो अभी workshop है, but पहले इसमें कुछ classes होती थी, and हमारी भी इसमें कुछ classes हुई हैं. And this is the boys dormitory. I found this very cool, like the structure of this is very cool, and this is the basement parking. And I was just showing you that how circular and how nice it is, and यहाँ पे सब बच्चे photo shoots and all करते हैं. And then I also like this space. This space gives you very calm वाला feeling because here it's like very close to nature. And then if I move forward, यहाँ पे जो छोटू सा टेबल दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे भैया पानी पूरी बेचने आते हैं every evening. He gives दही चाट and all that thing. एंड हम वहीं पे आ गए हैं वापस हॉर्स वाली जगह पे जहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट किया था. सो बेसिकली हमारा कैंपस ऑब्वियसली ऐसे सर्कल्स में ही है. लाइक यू कैन कम, लाइक यू विल गो फ्रॉम समवेयर एंड देन यू विल कम बैक अगेन टू द सेम प्लेस. सो इट्स लाइक दैट.
if you move on to the canteen thing, so canteen is also nice. We have certain snacks where drinks and everything, shakes, all that is there. And mess facilities are also for the people जो बाहर रहते हैं, वो भी वहाँ पे 60-80 रुपीज़ का खाना खा सकते हैं, दिन की थाली and all that.
Recently, because of the quality of the food, IRCTC was asked here to take the lead over here. So canteen Mumbai का IRCTC के अंदर ही है. This is the canteen area of NIFT Mumbai का college. Of hostel it's really different. And then if you move इससे आगे, so you will be seeing a boys hostel. So this is the boys hostel, which is not dormitory, it is a normal boys hostel, like twin sharing, triple sharing, AC, non-AC, and like that.
So yeah, that is all about NIFT campus in a very short brief. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so whenever I post new video you will get notified first. So yeah, bye bye and thanks for watching.